How to buy coins on P2P with Bybit app. Peer-to-peer trading is simple and secure on the Bybit P2P platform. It makes it easier to exchange holdings between two users at a mutually advantageous price, at zero transaction fees. Ready to begin your P2P trading journey right away? This step-by-step tutorial will show you how to begin your first P2P transaction on Bybit. First, click on Buy Crypto option. Now click on P2P Trading option. Depending on the necessities of your transaction, you can filter advertising by entering your preferred criteria for amount, fiat currencies, or payment methods on the buy page. Now select the advertisement of your choice, then click Buy USDT. Enter the amount of fiat you want to pay or coins you want to receive. To continue, click Buy. After being forwarded to the order page, you have 15 minutes to transfer the funds to the seller's bank account. Please double-check the order details before moving further. As soon as the payment is finished, click Payment Completed. In general, advertisers will release the coins within 10 minutes. If you need to clarify any details, you can chat with the advertisers with live chat option. Once the coins you've purchased have been successfully released by the seller, you can click on Check Asset to view them, along with your transaction history. If advertisers doesn't releases the coins after 10 minutes, do not cancel the order. Submit an appeal, and customer support team will reach out to you to help you get a refund.